Passage TX thermoform crosslight from Riot Kayaks. Our Boreal Design, this one, sorry. All the same company, however. Front hatch, comfy front cockpit, actually. Fits everybody, but if you're a bigger, longer-legged person, your front feet are a little close. So, you know, 5'11", 6 foot and under in the front, no problem at all. Back cockpit handles any size, anybody can hop in and go. Very stable, very wide belly on there, super stable, comfy paddling. Flex 4 seat, of course, raises and lowers in the back. Seat back or seat front raises and lowers. And being the Boreal Design, it has the dual pedal system lockout. Top pedal controls the steering of the boat, bottom pedal for a static control. And that flag, you flip it up, adjust your foot pedal, flip it down the way it is, and it's locked. Rear hatch cover, gasketed, and your tandem rudder system from Boreal Design, aluminum rudder system.